We're still on function. All right, but we're going to talk about domain and range. Okay, domain and range is very simple. Promise, wouldn't lie to y'all. So we got domain and range. All your domain is, these are all X values in a set of data. Set of data, however you want to say it. Okay, all X values. So it's every bit of your X values. Okay, and I'll show you all an example here in just a second. And my range, what do you think range is? Range is going to be the opposite. It's all of our Y values. So your range is all Y values in a set of data, data, whatever you want to say it. Okay, so it's all my Y values. So you're going to have questions that say list all domains of the data. Okay, and that question might sound intimidating because we're like, domains, what are they even talking about? All right. So your domain is all your X values, your range is all your Y values. Okay. So let's look at an example here. So your example might say, list the range of the data set. And it's going to give us a set of data. 0, 5, 2, -7, 4, -13, and 9, 12. So give us this set of data here, okay? It's going to ask us to list the range of the data set, all right? So when we list range, they're going to list it like this. It's going to say range. I have a colon, and then it's going to have those fancy parentheses, okay? It's going to have those fancy little parenthesis bracket looking things. My range is just my Y, okay? So a way to remember that, if I have domain and range, okay? Think about the alphabet. Which one comes first, D or R? D comes before R, okay? If I have a set of data, a coordinate point, it's X, Y. Well, what comes first in the alphabet? X comes before Y, okay? So if D comes before R, X comes before Y, therefore you can kind of pair those like that. It's just a little easy way to remember that, okay? So my range is going to be all of my Y values. So we're just going to list all these. We're going to have 5, comma, -7, -13, and 12. And then we're going to end fancy parentheses. That's it. Domain is X, range is Y. All right, so think X comes before Y in the alphabet, D comes before R in the alphabet.